If you are on stimulant medication, or even if you're not medicated for ADHD, but you're still struggling with things like working memory, impulsivity, and stress, you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about a non-stimulant medication called Guanfacine. I'll explain how it works, and I'm going to discuss its potential effects for reducing brain inflammation, which is clearly becoming a big part of the story for ADHD brains. Check out the rest of this playlist if you want more background information. I'm a doctor with ADHD and I love nerding out about this stuff with you, so thank you so much for this question. If you like learning more about the science of your neurodivergent brain, ask me questions in the comments. I'm happy to answer them. Follow my channel and share this with your friends who might also be interested. Most of us have heard of stimulants like Ritalin, which is called methylphenidate. That's the generic. And like other stimulants, it increases things like dopamine and norepinephrine. But Guanfacine is way more selective than that. It works in the part of the brain called the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex in ADHD people specifically, we have issues with the signaling in this area, which makes us more impulsive. It even helps with things like top-down control of emotion and insight and judgment. The way Guanfacine works is that it binds to what's called a postsynaptic receptor. So the synapse is the space in between these two neurons, and then it binds to this receptor that is after the synapse. This receptor called alpha 2, when it opens, because Guanfacine binds to it, it helps it stay open longer. This helps support the signal going across. Glutamate is an excitatory neurotransmitter. It's like the on switch for our brain. So when we have better transmission of that signal, this supports our ability to do things like control our impulses. The really interesting thing about Guanfacine is Guanfacine deactivate the microglia. Microglia are a type of cell, like a support cell, but it also is involved in basically creating the immune system of our whole brain. And this can provide an anti-inflammatory property. While I didn't find research that mentions astrocytes specifically, I did find research that mentions microglia. When we lower the inflammation in our brains, this can help us regulate stress. This can give us more tools cognitively so that we can make better decisions like eating food, exercising, and doing other things that will also support reducing our stress. Lots of things that we can do to reduce stress in our bodies. I help high achieving adults create systems to do exactly this. So if you want more information on this, comment systems.